Ever wondered what makes your garden thrive? It's not just about the sunlight or water, but the soil too. The secret to a flourishing garden is understanding your soil. It's the foundation of your garden, the bedrock of your blooms. And did you know? There are 3 main types of soil: sand, silt, and clay. Each holds a unique set of characteristics that can either make or break your garden's health. So it's clear that soil plays a key role in your garden's success. But how can you determine what type of soil you have? Identifying your soil type is simpler than you might think. It all begins with the feel test. Simply take a handful of moist soil and give it a good squeeze. The texture you feel can reveal the type of soil you're dealing with. If it feels gritty, it's likely sandy soil, known for its excellent drainage but poor nutrient retention. If it feels smooth like a well-worn bar of soap, it's probably silty soil, which holds moisture well but can compact easily. And if it feels sticky, you've got clay soil on your hands. It's nutrient-rich but drains poorly. So, by understanding these different textures, you're unlocking the secrets of your garden's foundation. Now that you know what type of soil you have, you're well on your way to creating a thriving garden. So, you've identified your soil type. What's next? Improving it, of course. The key to a flourishing garden lies in the health of its soil. Enhance it by adding organic matter like compost, which enriches the soil and promotes plant growth. Remember, each soil type may require different treatments to optimize its quality. For instance, clay soil benefits from added sand for improved drainage. With these tips, you can transform your garden soil into a fertile foundation for your plants. Understanding your garden soil is the first step to a lush and bountiful garden. Appreciating its role and improving its quality can transform your green space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips and tricks. Remember, a healthy garden starts from the ground up.